My storybook. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Mercedes. She was very respectful and responsible. She liked to make friends. She was 27 years old and her birthdays were in January. She loved to read. Her favorite book was Study You. She liked to watch TV, but she didn't like video games. She is in Barbacoas, in the neighborhood The Hill. His favorite celebration is carnivals, which are the folkloric festivities of the town, which are part of the tradition of the people. In that festival, there is a race of culture. The candidates represent their neighborhood. They come out swing, fantasy, and gala. They dance curulao. That day there are dance competition, comparsas, murgas. She is proud of the hip culture, which is also part of the gastronomic festival. The typical dish is the pusandao. The clothes that she used in those days are shorts, short blouse, lycra, tennis cap. Mercedes lives with her daughter. She always cleans the house. She takes care of all the household chores. She often does the dishes. Occasionally she does the laundry. She usually fixes the bed. She rarely does the patio. She always cooks. Sometimes she washes the house. She hardly ever picks out her daughter's toys. Mercedes' house is big, but it is always kept clean. In her free time, the program she likes to watch is the Chavo because it's fun. The music that she likes to listen to is the vallenato. Really love the vallenato. The movie you currently saw was Where the Blondes Are. He is really fun. Mercedes a good habit that we think go well for her. She is currently doing university workshop. Always sleep at 7 a.m. She thinks that seasons are important to the life of planet Earth. Among them are spring, winter, autumn, and summer. Mercedes comments with her friend that as the seasons change, it's time to wear different clothes. In spring, men can wear short sleeves, sweatshirt, and women can wear sleeveless shirts and pants. In the summer, men wear shorts, stretchers, and flip-flops, and women wear dresses, shorts, swimsuits, flip-flops. In autumn, you can wear a shirt, sweater, jacket, and shoes. The coat and hat should be worn in winter, as should the scarf and gloves. Mercedes dreams of knowing different places. For that she is preparing herself to fulfill her dream. End.